Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine on the note. Let's start this video. This is week 9 assignment of the course Joy of Computing using Python. So guys, for the past 6 years we are providing solutions for many of the courses in NPTEL. So guys, please watch the video till the end. Don't skip the video. These are completely our probable solutions. If there are any changes, we will let you know. If it come to our notice, definitely we will let you know, guys. So you can also suggest your solutions. Please watch the video till the end, right? So first question, first option, liberty constitution. So this is the probable solution. Next, second question, for second question, second option, an empty plot is generated without bars. Next, third one, word length frequency. Option 3, word length frequency is the probable solution. Fourth question, for fourth question, second option, a wider spread with peaks at larger word lengths. Next, fifth question, first option, JS text is emotionally neutral overall. Next, sixth one, second option, word length distributions shift toward shorter lengths. Next, seventh one, for seventh question, once again second option, corpus level sentiment smooths local noise. Next, eighth question, for eighth question, third option, a broader, less consistent distribution. Next, ninth question, guys. Ninth question, what is the primary purpose of using nx.read edge list? So this question, for ninth question, first option, to create a graph where users are nodes and friendships are edges. Guys, these are completely our probable solutions. If there are any changes you want to let us know, please give that in the comment section, right? So 10th one, why does the code check this question? 10th question, for 10th question, option second, to avoid self loops that always have zero path length. So before getting into the 11th question, I want to make a small announcement. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs. Exam preparation MCQs, guys. So for the course Joy of Computing using Python, we have got the exam preparation MCQs with more than 6 years of experience. We have collected this. So these are collection of 9 past semesters assignment MCQs. So you can see the price breakup, guys. So first one, 125 MCQs, it will be 150 rupees. For 240 MCQs approximately, that means 2 semesters questions, 250 rupees. And 3 semesters, 360 MCQs approximately, it is 360. 600 MCQs approximately, that means 5 semesters questions, it is just 500 rupees only. And 1000 plus MCQs approximately, that means 9 semesters question, just 800 only. If you increase the number of MCQs, the comparative price will be decreased. If MCQs increase, the comparative relative price will be decreased, guys. So select the best pack. My suggestion is at least you can take this 360 MCQs pack. So validity will be till the exam results day. You will get that in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So mail me to this email ID, bk179417@gmail.com, if you confirm to make the purchase. Already many students and even professors have also taken our various packs, guys. So huge number of 1000 plus MCQs is the maximum, and with minimum of 125 MCQs, and the prices. Validity will be till the exam results day. And this is the mail ID, guys, bk179417@gmail.com. So that's it, guys. So please let us know if you are confirmed to make the purchase. So mail me to this email ID. I'll give the same email ID in the description box also. Now let's get back to the solutions. So 11th question, it is third option. Next, 12th question, it is fourth option. And 13th, third option. 14th, also third option. And finally the 15th question, it is fourth option. So friends, these are the most probable solutions for week 9 assignment of the course Joy of Computing using Python. Hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, definitely subscribe our channel, like this video, and don't forget to purchase this huge number of MCQs pack. So that's it, guys. So please share this news with your friends and classmates. Until the next video, goodbye, thank you.